Hey everyone, this is Crypt'n'Tricks channel. Sometimes it seems that the crypto industry has forgotten the original idea of blockchain – decentralization. Many young projects, while they talk about transparency and decentralization, are actually just extensions of standard Web 2. Of course, we all want cryptocurrency to become widespread, but we cannot allow this to happen at the cost of losing its primary purpose. Perhaps it is time to reconsider our approach to blockchain. Subspace is a new eco-friendly, scalable Layer 1 blockchain that can serve as an infrastructure layer for the entire Web3 ecosystem. Subspace offers smart storage for everything the users need, from NFT-based games to cross-network applications. The Subspace Network allows developers to very quickly deploy decentralized Web3 applications, which in turn can automatically scale as needed. The network is designed to solve fundamental problems of the current crypto world, such as ecology, centralization, and lack of scalability. How does Subspace solve these problems? It implements proof of capacity. Proof of capacity. Proof of capacity is the main alternative to proof of work and proof of stake-based consensus. In a proof of capacity blockchain, compute-intensive mining is replaced with storage-intensive farming. Yes, farming. In other words, it is based on the use of free space on a file storage device of the users. Such HDD farming does not require the purchase of expensive video cards, high-powered power supplies, and motherboards with a vast number of connectors to get the job done. To make money on HDD, a simple laptop with standard parameters and a built-in video card is enough. However, the requirements for hard drive may increase. The key benefit is that this type of farming is energy efficient and environmentally sustainable, while having security properties more similar to proof of work than proof of stake. It also has the potential to be ISIC resistant, allowing ordinary users to participate in consensus with regular hardware, although this depends heavily on the implementation of the underlying consensus. Additionally, the developers of Subspace introduced a new concept – the farmer's dilemma. The rough idea is that you can store an infinite amount of data. Someday you will have to sacrifice something – decentralization or quality of data. Subspace thinks that its counterparts do not solve the farmer's dilemma at all. Some are too centralized and some do not know how to scale. Subspace farmers store as many unique segments of blockchain history as their hard drive space allows, and store history collectively, which will enable them to operate as a single distributed archive node. A farmer does not need to store the entire blockchain history, only segments. The more space you allocate, the better your chance of being selected to create a block. Subspace uses an interesting reward mechanism. More farmers in the network mean more expensive transactions, which leads to more profit for the farmers. This is due to the fact that new information has to be stored on more and more hard drives. The network currently has over 20,000 community-run active nodes, making Subspace one of the most decentralized networks. Farming. From all we have learned, it seems that you can also run the node in the background on your laptop without affecting your user experience. Recommended minimum hardware requirements include 2 dedicated CPU cores, 4 GB of RAM, but it is better to have 8 GB, and 60 GB of hard drive space. In short, if you can play a game or watch Netflix on your computer, you can also run a node. The farmer node can run natively on Mac OS, Windows, and Linux operating systems. In addition, some community members were able to run a farmer node on Raspberry Pi, though it is not officially supported as of today. Investors. In March, Subspace Labs announced the completion of a $33 million financing round led by Pantera Capital with participation from Coinbase Ventures, Crypto.com, Alameda Research, and many others. Conclusion. Subspace Network is designed to be a massively scalable and distributed infrastructure for Web3, powering the rich selection of platforms across many chains. Developers want Subspace to be open and permissionless from day one, so that anyone with a laptop could participate in the network from anywhere in the world and get rewarded for their contributions. Different from many proof-of-work and proof-of-stake networks, to participate as a Subspace consensus node operator, you don't need any specialized hardware or any capital investment. In fact, you won't need to stake any tokens to run a farmer node either. And any spare computer from the last 10 years will likely meet the minimum hardware requirements. All of this makes Subspace unique when compared with most other blockchains. Yes, it is not the only project that uses proof of capacity, but it is definitely the most promising one. Testnet is already active, so you can try it out for yourself. Full integration with Polkadot and Kusama is expected in the near future. Please subscribe, like and share this video if you think anyone could get value from it. Good luck, guys. Bye.